Hi everyone, welcome back to Trimmer Week. We are on day 2. I am Madelyn Vosburg.
And I'm Annalisa Smola. I'm the Creative Content Manager here at Creative Memories Home Office. Madelyn, what's your role here?
I am the Marketing Coordinator here.
Marketing Coordinator. And you've been here for probably, 6 months now?
A little over 6 months.
And yes. I've been here for a little bit over a year. And we are really excited to come at you with talking about all of our trimmer accessories. This was my first purchase was our original trimmer. And of course, when we came out with the new one, I had to upgrade. I'm super excited about this new one, and I'm excited to share some of my favorite accessories about it. And
I'm excited to learn about some of them. Yeah.
Do you have the trimmer yet?
I do have the trimmer, and I'm really excited about it. It's my first large purchase while I've been here because I felt like it was something I needed, but I don't know all of the inner workings of it, and I know there's much more than what's on the surface.
Well, there is a lot much more, and especially on this one, technically a lot much more on the surface. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but in this new trimmer, we have the measurements up to the 16th. So you can really get down in there and not have to do so much math.
Love that.
And it's just awesome. If you look on the back, this is where all of the exciting, fun things come into play. We have all of these trimmer blades, and you can house your trimmer blades in here. You can house your lifter stick and your multi-purpose tool, and you can house the track that goes right here. So this track is where your blade glides along, and when it is ready to be flipped, I can show you how to do that here. You flip it like this, and now it has a fresh surface to glide on. But what's great is we have a spot for the extra one for when you go past all 4 and you want to get this new one. But we have all these blades. Have you tried any of these yet?
I think I've tried the scallop more recently, which I really like. I think I have been using the straight blade mostly right now, just because that's what I started out with. But I think I'm ready to step it up a little. I like a little funkiness to my pages. I don't love everything straight cut. So like even just seeing the back of this with all of these gets me excited. I love to rip my pages.
So you might like the deckle blade and the Victorian. I love the deckle blade. When I look back at my mom's albums, she had it was very similar to our deckle blade, but in these scissors. And so all of her mats are cut with that. So when I invite her over to my house to scrapbook, she always goes for that blade.
Oh, I love it.
And then of course, Wesley, he goes for the pinking blade. Wesley's my son. His favorite color is red. The pinking blade is red.
Perfect.
And this is the little, what are
kind of a zigzag situation.
The zigzag. But yeah, I love them all. I think my new favorite right now is the twist blade. The twist blade came out in November, I think. And I feel like it gives a similar effect to maybe the wave, but it has a little more edge to it, a little more, like not so symmetrical. And I love how that looks. I can show you in a little bit with some paper what these look like. But all of these blades are able to be added to the back of this, which is amazing.
So much storage. I feel like I would lose them otherwise. So that's perfect.
Tons of storage for accessories. We also have storage on the back of this. So if you flip it around, we have storage for our scissors and our micro tip scissors. And so when you are maybe traveling, going to a crop, you can fit all of these accessories in the back of your trimmers, and then you can kind of stack them up like this. So you go, logos are opposite direction. That's how I always remember it. Do you have a trimmer bag yet? I just bought my first trimmer bag. Super pumped about it. But these fit in the trimmer bag, just like the old trimmer. So just like our old trimmer that, yes, was a little more narrow, that you could still stack it with the photo trimmer, these stack together and fit in our trimmer bag just like they used to. It's amazing. Beautiful. Should we show some of these fun blades?
I've been thinking about it the whole time.
Okay, so do you know how to switch the blades out?
I do.
Okay,
I do.
Let's I
can go ahead and test it out, right? Okay. So here we have kind of the house for the blade. And now we're going to just pop this guy open. We have the straight blade in right now, but I'm going to swap her out.
Can I show you something awesome?
I would love that.
So I have little kids and my kids love picking their blades. And the way that this works is this piece right here, when you push down, it pushes this in and it makes the blade actually come out. So my kids can help me and pick out the blade, and it is so kid friendly and so safe, which is so awesome.
Perfect. Okay. I love that. Okay, well that's great.
I had to throw that in there because
well, that's good to know.
It's my current life.
So what one were we gonna try? The twist blade?
Let's do the twist.
Let's do the twist. If I can get it out here. My hands are a little. There we go. Okay. Perfect. So I'm going to open this guy back up. Again, like Annalisa said, now I'm realizing it doesn't pop up into a push. Going to put that right in here. And now we're ready to go, right?
Yes.
Okay, amazing.
Let's try it out. Okay.
Get like same as a straight blade,
yeah,
though?
Same thing. So we just press down just like you would. And look at this gorgeous edge.
How cute.
I love it. And like I said, it almost gives a similar effect to the wave, but there's no it's just a little more loosey-goosey, which I love.
I love that.
And I'm sure you love that too, because
%.
like we said earlier, you like to rip your papers, like you're going to love the deckle blade.
Yeah.
But yeah, super easy to switch in and out, go back to my straight blade. So simple. What else?
What are these guys? You want to just mention what they are? Because I think I've seen them before. I don't know exactly.
This is something everyone needs in their scrapbooking arsenal. And so you use this edge. It kind of helps. You can lift things up if you maybe have adhered something down, or I've used this for so many things. I've used this to get something small out of a piece in my car, in the hood of my car. It's when I say multi-purpose tool, I mean,
seriously,
it's multi-purpose. You can use it for so many different things. We should have you guys comment in the video and tell us what your favorite, what your favorite purpose for the multi-purpose tool would be.
That's a great one.
I know. And then over here we have the lifter stick, which you take off the top, and let's say you have tiny pieces. Mm-hmm. Sometimes a lot of people like to use like the punch poop as little scattered elements around your page, and you can like pick it up. You pick it up with this edge, and you can lay it back down on your adhesive, and it works just
That's so smart. I feel like I'm always fiddling or losing all my little scraps. And so that feels like the perfect tool.
I know.
And I just love that everything fits right back in here.
I know. It's so nice.
So genius.
And I showed you guys how to switch out the track as well. And I think a lot of people wonder, when do you know when you need to switch this out?
I was going to ask.
How you can tell, because it's hard to track how many times you've used it. And that's not very realistic for someone to track. So the way I think about it is, if you feel like you're not getting that perfect edge, and you're not getting that perfect straight cut, or maybe you don't feel like it's even cutting perfectly straight anymore, that is when that's when you know that you have to switch it. So I just actually switched it, got just this beautiful straight cut here. And if you see on this, you can really see that it's been quite used, and it was ready for it. It was ready for it. But once you do side 1 and 2, then you can flip it over again and do side 3, and then
the numbers 4. Are so helpful.
Yes. And then when you're done with all 4, you can switch it to the one that we have in the back, because you can keep it safe here. So lots of fun things with this.
I love it. I think this is so helpful. Now I'm going to know so much more when I start to kind of build out the collection, and it already has a home, right?
I know. And I think these trimmer blades are great for like kind of growing your collection of things. So if you want to get the whole collection all at once, it comes in a big bundle. But if you want to just pick and choose some of the different blades that you want, I would say my favorite's the twist.
Okay, this has been so much fun. Thanks for almost being my teacher today.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
I feel like I learned a lot.
Yes. Well, we will see you back here for Trimmer Week Day 3. And we're going to be excited to see you there. So see you later.
Bye, guys.